BeamerTech wanted to give you a quick look at two of our products we recently installed on a Toyota Supra, our Alpha 1 speakers and our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime. If you want to see the full installation videos, check out the links in the description. Our customer wanted Android Auto in his Supra since it didn't come that way from the factory. Our MMI Prime can do that. It will deliver all of your favorite apps right on your iDrive display, integrate front and rear cameras, allow screen mirroring, and more. Installation is easy and very straightforward. You will have to remove some trim around the center console and the trim and controls in the center of the dash, including the screen. Once the head unit is out, it's all a matter of plug and play with the BeamerTech wiring harness. No cuts, no splices, no hassle. Give everything a quick test, put everything back together, and enjoy either wireless CarPlay or Android Auto by the touch of your hands on the factory controls or screen, or with your voice with integrated Siri or Google Assistant. Our customer also wanted something that sounds better than the factory system. Our Alpha 1 speakers were crafted to be able to deliver crystal clear highs, full-sounding mids, and clean lows. Installation of the mids and tweeters in the doors and center of the dash are pretty simple. You just need to pull off a few panels, unscrew the old speakers, and screw in the new ones. Things get a bit more tricky at the rear, but you'll be an expert after watching our full installation video. There are more panels to take off, glue to break free, and more wimpy factory speakers to replace with BeamerTech's Alpha 1 speakers. After you put your car back together, hearing the difference will make the install worth every bit of your time. If you want to find out about all the products available for your Supra, Mini, or BMW, head on over to our website, enter your VIN, and you will be presented with a list of all the compatible upgrades. Don't forget to check out the full installation videos in the description, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the future installation overviews here at BeamerTech. Thanks for watching.